When you first go to Google Classroom, you'll be taken to the dashboard. The dashboard shows you a display for each classroom that you're a teacher or a student of. To create a classroom, go to the plus sign, click on Create Class, and add your class name. Once you are in a classroom, notice the 3 tabs at the top of the screen. The Stream tab is where all the communication with your class appears. If you want to share something with your class, a discussion topic maybe, or an announcement, just add it here. And you can use these icons at the bottom to add links and YouTube videos and documents. We'll return to these later. Once you've created your announcement, click on Post. And it will go to the top of the stream. Classwork is where you assign work to your class. I can click on the plus sign and choose what type of assignment to create. An assignment will allow the students to hand me back a piece of work. A question can be multiple choice or short answer. Material will allow me to add any documents or links to folders. And topic we'll see in a moment. So I'm going to choose assignment and add a title for my assignment. I'm going to choose a due date and just select the date and click in a white space. And I'm going to add a topic by creating a topic and adding slides as a topic. Now, before I assign, I want to attach a document that's from my Google Drive. So the 4 choices I have are the paperclip, which allows me to add any documents that are not in my drive, the drive icon, which allows me to get documents from my drive, YouTube, and web addresses or URLs. So from my drive, it will take me to recent, and I'm going to find this document here. Now this is a slide deck, and now I've attached it, I have a choice of how I want students to work on the file. So it defaults to students can view the file, that means they can just look at it. But I can allow all students to edit the file or make a copy for each student. And because I want all my students to work together on the file, I'm going to choose students can edit the file. And now, once I've made that decision, I assign. And you can see this is in the Classwork tab. Here's the topic slides and here's my task. I can now go to the People tab and add teachers. I can remove them simply as well. And invite. And students in the same way. And invite.